Sunday, July 27th, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature this morning, 72.8. We have a high tide coming up at 10:08 this morning. Waves are looking 1 to 2.5 foot. Wind is south this morning, forecast to pick up out of the south throughout the day and possibly go offshore before dark. Yeah, you can see there's still some of the leftover wind swell from yesterday. Oh yeah, look at that. And you see the south wind's already on it this morning. Yeah, flags should be green or yellow today. There's no flies on the beach this morning. And yeah, might go surfing. A little short period swell, but it's definitely rideable. Weather-wise, they're calling for clouds and stuff today, but I'm seeing some blue skies behind these sunrise clouds, so it's probably going to be sunny since, you know, the weathermen always say it's going to be cloudy and then ends up being really nice. Anyways, that's the update. Hope everybody has a great Sunday. One more wave. Yes. Yeah, I would say it's like thigh to maybe waist high on set. Why not?